Okay, a real treat today. We're headed to my friend Doug's place. Doug was with me when we bought the old tractor. He's a real proper heavy-duty mechanic, and I've known him for probably 30 years. And rumor has it he's got a pretty decent Model A Sedan that he's working on, and I've been kind of waiting for an opportunity for a long time to go over and check it out and hang out with Doug. One of the nicest and best mechanics I've ever known. I think we're gonna have a really good time checking out this Model A and whatever else Doug has in store there. I know he has some tractors and stuff as well, so should be fun. Naturally, we gotta take something diesel powered if we're going over to Doug's, so we're gonna rattle our way over there in the old Dodge and we'll see what happens. There's Doug's shop. That's cool. Is it brown?
Yeah,
brown and
two-tone brown.
Yeah,
brown and brown.
What do they call it? Is that the Aspen? It is
It's
the Aspen Cade, yeah.
yeah.
So what was that? The touring one?
I think that's the top of the line back then.
Yeah, I think it was.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Has it got a stereo? Is that what
It
that
does.
is?
Yeah.
I'll be
I don't know if you'd ever turn it loud enough to hear it, but.
Oh, you can hear them.
Yeah.
Because I hear guys at the stop signs. They'll stop and.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Yeah. What a good boy. He's like, oh, we got guests today.
Yeah, I like visitors.
Yeah. That's cool.
So I put 3 coats on these because I wanted to do a bit of polishing on them.
Yeah, sure.
But I didn't get 3 coats on the car because I had so much overspray. I thought I'm gonna quit.
Yeah.
But just 2 coats, I should be able to polish a little bit, eh?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Because you're only really taking the tops of the orange. You're not even breaking down into
no,
the.
I don't want to. There's not really any orange peel to get rid of. It's just the little
just the specs,
and stuff.
Yeah,
I'm not trying to flatten it out like a show car. I just want to get rid of some of the.
If you didn't have any specs, you wouldn't even think of polishing that. Like that looks perfect.
Well,
what are you painting with?
That's
that Mason?
Yeah.
I love that stuff.
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah.
I don't know, like some of these edges aren't. But you know what? I thought,
Dude, whatever.
You could spend your life fixing up the little things. And that's
way.
not what the car.
That's not what it's supposed to be.
No.
They were not that nice when they were new.
No, that's what.
That is beautiful.
I tractors.
See. Right.
This is an
Which
AR.
one's this? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When did this one come about? Is this one of the ones that Dick bought years ago?
Yeah.
Oh, is this the one that was on metal wheels? And you put
nope.
it back? No,
Nope.
okay. There was a one on metal wheels.
So this is one that Dick had, and I got it pretty much finished. I didn't want to repaint because it was such good shape from before. I just got it running and put tires on the back of it, and of course now it sits.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. This one I rebuilt. Just finished it last year.
Oh, is this one of the ones that Dick had?
And this is one that Daryl. I shouldn't have done it, but I rebuilt the motor. Of course, now I got too much money into this thing to.
Oh, it looks brand new.
Oh.
So you done the paint and the upholstery and the everything. What was the one that used to have the roof on it? Was that this one? Oh, okay, that's the one I'm thinking of. Okay, that was one that Dick had, isn't it?
That's the one. That's
right. And you got that going years ago. Because I remember you rebuilt the pup motor just so you could get it to start. Is that
I had
right?
to put a differential in it because the pinion had snapped right off, but the differential was seized in it.
Wow.
That's the last two-cylinder.
Two-cylinder?
Diesel.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Before they got into their.
Before they got in. So this is newer.
Yeah. So this
what year? What's the vintage on this?
I think this is 67.
Okay, and this
That's
is
a 58 or 59.
Okay, sure. Yeah. It still has the
I put an
old
alternator on it. I
lines.
got rid of the generators. Give me so much trouble.
Okay. Yeah. That one's got a GM style alternator on.
Yeah, I put an alternator on that one too. It works well.
Yeah, they have a great sound too.
They do. Bark, bark,
pop,
bark.
pop, pop. Yeah, that's cool.
It's got the pup engine, so it.
Yeah. Oh, and you got some boats now.
Well, yeah, I got my brother-in-law's boat, my son's boat.
Okay, yeah.
And then I got these 2 tractors from my neighbor. So I started taking the fuel system apart, and it's plugged solid. So what happened was the fuel tank started leaking, the diesel tank.
Yeah.
So he poured in some of that stuff that fixes fuel tanks, but he never drained it.
He never drained it. Oh no! And then he filled. Oh god! He probably just welded everything solid because that stuff's epoxy.
And this one, the wiring was all burnt up. From the starter to the alternator to inside.
Somebody put the battery in backwards or something, or boosted it backwards. Yeah.
And then the inside, Scott, was. I was going to do something with this myself.
Yeah.
The mice and everything got into it, so I redid the interior. I painted it. And
oh, wow. How do you find the time, man? Look at this. That's nice. Do you use this?
No, I don't.
No?
So I redid the interior, painted it and stuff, and I don't know. I think I might.
That's like a golf course turf machine.
I was planning
This
on
could
doing
mow my
something.
lawn in about 11 seconds. This is cool, yeah.
It runs great now.
This is an older unit.
Yeah, it needs tires in the worst way.
Yeah.
But fires right up. I don't know the hours. It's got a bit of blow by, so I'm sure it's been well used. But when I first got it, I couldn't figure out this whole area that's stained was like glass, like hard. And I thought, what the heck is that?
Oh no.
And that's what I realized. I thought, well, I better check the fuel. So I stuck a stick in there, and it was like,
What's
What's
going on?
And it went
I'm
through.
surprised you even bothered to fix it.
It went through everything.
So all this was wrecked, like just full. Oh, and that was like an epoxy, so it would have hardened up.
That's why I was here. I took a shipping hammer and I started chipping it, and I thought, holy crap.
If only you could have gone back in time and said, no, don't pour that in there.
I don't know what he was thinking. That's Sherry's brother's truck.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
79. Original paint except the poop.
Right.
But, you know, I think you looked at this for him years ago.
Right, didn't we decide that it was just going to be more than it was worth, and it would kind of, what's the best thing about it was the originality.
Yeah. Remote gas tank here, because his tanks are full of crap. Sitting for too many years. And
well, these are, there was a time when these were $500.
Yeah.
That's not anymore.
I got this from my dad.
3/4 or something?
Yeah. My dad used to drive this at the lake. But you know what happened to it though? The drip check leaked.
Yeah.
And it rusted out.
You had more tractors than I got cars, man. Well, I think that one, remember that one I bought off that guy when you came with me?
Yeah.
I use that thing almost every day.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, it is just a hammer.
Yeah.
It always starts, it runs perfectly.
I need some doors or something though.
Yeah.
Well, this is my
Oh, nice and warm in here. Yeah. Where you got a frame rack?
Yeah.
What?
I rebuilt a truck for Tom.
Yeah.
And part of the deal was, he said, I got a hoist that you can have. So Colin hauled it home for me. And I didn't realize that Tom parked it in a slough. So I used my Zoom boom, but Colin's got it right now.
Yeah.
So I hooked the chain, once I got him in here, I hooked the chain around. And I thought, well, I'll stretch them out. But they wouldn't stretch, so I'm shaking and shaking. And they wouldn't move, but they were seized solid. So I stripped it right down to nothing, took the cylinders out, painted the whole thing up, and I like it. Because for a guy like me...
this is nice. Wow. So this is all the Model A. Well, show me the A here. It looks like you're almost done. It looks like I'm about 2 years too late to check out your project. What do we say is...
1930.
1930 and... what body? Murray?
Murray body.
Murray body. Yeah. So just for anybody who's watching, the Murray body is the wood body. Maybe Doug will open the door for us.
If you've got a Murray body, then you've got the rounded window openings.
Okay, yeah. That's a quick way to tell.
Yeah. Who's the other manufacturer?
Briggs.
Yeah. Then you've got a straight across
here.
Okay,
yeah.
But this is wood as well.
Yeah,
the doors
that's why there's very few of these ever got saved, because it's a gigantic amount of. How was the wood in it?
The wood is actually really good. I think what saved it was they had it parked in a garage, so the roof was all rotted, like up the vinyl. But the ribs and stuff were all good.
All the structure, the posts. What kills them is that the posts rot, and then the doors fall off, and then nobody can save them. Like you see that whole B post. It's all structural. What is it, ash on these?
I would think so.
Yeah. They're usually ash or oak.
Yeah.
But
what I was hoping was...
really cool. See all the nails? Look at that.
I'm hoping when I take it off of this and put it on the car that it doesn't... Because it twisted when I took it off. I had them a little bit better, but then I put the windshield in, and the windshield hung over on this side, and it was... So I pushed the A-pillars over. Yeah. And of course, then my doors didn't fit. So I got one step ahead of myself by doing the doors.
Yeah. So you were saying the rest is just green from here to here?
I'm going to go from here to here with green.
Right.
And the tank gets green.
Wow, you got it nice and straight, buddy. Wow, what a job.
I got a few spots that, like, I didn't get enough paint, but I couldn't see nothing.
Oh, that's fine.
You could
that'll polish for sure. And black, as long as you got a half a coat left, you'll be fine, right? Okay. Like you can polish it almost completely off and it's still black.
Oh, okay.
Whereas metallic colors, as soon as you start polishing it, it changes color, right?
Oh, okay.
I love Model A gas tanks. So.
It's got the
fancy. Oh, it's got the gauge, yeah.
Gauge there.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. I took it out and cleaned it up. You could hardly read it.
Yeah, it looks really good. What are you using for primer?
Just that U-pole stuff. 4-to-1 U-pole stuff.
Okay, yeah.
It's a,
That looks great. And you said that this was not too bad for rust?
Yeah, I
think you said you did a bunch in here, didn't you?
I think I did. Well, you can probably see on. You can see the other side. I kind of
Okay,
I did that on both sides.
Big
I
repair
guess.
in there. Yeah, okay.
Both sides were rotted out. And
Yeah. Wow, that looks really good, man.
Oh,
that is
thanks.
really, really impressive job. What a great car.
it
So
kind of
another
morphed
one that
in-
you probably didn't think you were getting into this,
No,
eh?
it morphed into more than I.
You know, and I think that's what I have to recognize too, and it's hard, but you have to say, okay, we're either restoring it or we're not.
Yeah.
But there's
Yeah.
no halfway.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you're going to take it apart, this is where you're going, right?
Oh, it is.
There's no other way.
No. And you just keep saying, why did I take that apart? And pretty soon it's like, Jesus, do I really have the whole thing apart?
Yeah. And this is fun too. I mean, think of all the stuff that you learned doing
Oh,
this vehicle,
yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
a wood body car is a completely different thing.
It is, yeah.
And the trimming on the interior is really rewarding.
Right.
Like it's almost, I find to do the interiors and upholstery to be as rewarding as the paint.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really fun. Was this one all kind of buggered up when you got it?
It was. I saved as much as I could.
Was it original or an old redo?
No, it was.
Oh, so at least you've got a pattern.
Yeah, for some stuff I do. Some stuff was so mouse.
Yeah.
That I got rid of it. But the seat, I think. I was actually about the seat. How do you make a new seat cover?
A new what?
How do you make a seat cover? Like, what do you do when you?
Let me know. Yeah, it can all be done.
Okay.
I got the machine too, if you want.
Okay. This. I did find this, and I think he'll be able to take something off this. I think for the color.
Oh, is that the green?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. But I think this
The
is
back,
original.
if you get some polish.
Yeah, I'll
on
polish
there.
up a spot and take that into him.
Yeah.
And I think he'll be able to.
Spot there.
Yeah, I think I could clean up. Because I think it's all original back here. I don't
Yeah,
think this
for
has
sure.
ever been.
Yeah.
So I'll clean that up and I'll
Yeah,
get to.
it's hard for me to tell because I'm
Yeah,
colorblind,
yeah. These are the door panels. I think they're original.
but yeah, 100% they are. But if you order an interior for this, it'll be expensive.
Oh, yeah,
So I think
yeah.
you'd probably be
Yeah.
happy to show yourself.
And you know
how to
what?
put it
Yeah, and
together.
if it's not perfect,
No,
I'm fine with that.
my rule is the first attempts all go in.
Yeah.
Well, you got it really clean. Like
Oh.
we should say, like, when did you paint it? I don't think it was painted when I had dinner with you.
No, it
was
wasn't. No.
Okay,
Probably
so
last week, maybe.
Yeah. Did you have to put a floor together in?
No, I didn't take it all out though.
Yeah. So the floors are nailed in.
They are, and I took them out and re-nailed them,
Yeah.
and I cleaned up everything underneath.
This
So the
is-
whole underneath looks the same as this. Like it's
Right,
all
right,
been,
okay.
Yeah. So I took all the tin out.
Yeah.
That was where the spring is. That was all rubbed through, so I fixed that.
Okay.
Yeah. And all
And
these came out, and
So this is all just for people watching. That's all wood.
Yeah.
Nothing back there. It's
Isn't
all
it crazy?
structural
eh?
wood. Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Well, you think of the labor
Oh,
that went into
yeah.
these things,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
like,
And when you think
and
about,
it's
really,
really
they were
nicely
craftsmen.
fitted, right?
Yeah, they were craftsmen,
Well,
those
it's
people.
coach built, right?
Yeah,
This goes back to the 1700s. This style of look at the figure joint.
No, it's you really got to be amazed at the quality of the craftsmen that put these
And this
together.
was a Ford. This was not a Buick or a Packard, or
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is just like a run-of-the-mill Ford car.
And they came off the assembly line every minute and a half. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah. And that meant that they were able to build a body like this. Look at the beautiful, how complex
Yeah,
all
it
the
is, isn't it?
woodwork
Like to
is.
try and do that now
And
with the tools you've got would be
even-
hard. Yeah,
What, 5 years later, this is all gone.
yeah. The sad part is they're not worth anything.
Yeah, I know. That's the crazy thing is that we haven't even looked at the motor and frame yet.
Oh, the frame's been fixed up in here. Somebody fish plated up somewhere up in this area here, right here. Somebody has done some
Okay, yeah.
fish plating here.
Right, it must have been cracked.
Yeah.
It was probably cracking here.
All this stuff needs to be fixed up and stuff. Like these are all.
Yeah, yeah. And Matt and Jim have all of that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have all that on the shelf.
Really?
Yeah, all the mechanical stuff especially. Yeah, they got tires.
Really?
Yeah, they
Oh, I'll have to-
they either have tires or they can get them for you.
Okay.
What size are these?
19, I think.
I think you're right. This was a running machine when you got it, right?
It wasn't running, but I got it running.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so I drove it in here.
You drove in here,
yes.
yeah. And it's not too smoky or anything.
No, the rear seal leaks.
Right.
So I don't know if that's an easy. Sometimes these things leak even when you fix them.
Well, that's it. They're going to leak anyway.
Huge transmission noise.
Yeah, I know. Huge power here. Yeah. Yeah, kind of a fun break from what you usually got to work on.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like it's almost like a toy.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. And I enjoy this because if you come out and you get frustrated, you go back in the house and.
Yeah. Any classic tires for us today? The front ones are classics. These are. Look at that. It's a Crest Traveler. Yeah, that's a replacement. Oh, come with a tire pump. Isn't that cool? I don't know if these came with tire pumps, but that's certainly very era correct for this car.
I don't know if that's correct or not.
That probably is.
They must have had some spindle problems at one time.
Oh, yeah. I'm not sure if that's it would say Ford on it if it was
original?
a Ford, I think, but I'm not sure. Oh, there it says auto spec on it. Yeah, you're going to find the interior is going to take you half a year.
Oh, yeah.
But
I just wanted
the
to
thing is, if you're doing it for fun, who cares,
No,
right?
that's right.
Like, it's not like you need this because you got somewhere to go.
No.
Like, you do it for the sake of doing
Yeah.
it.
I just wanted to get the majority of the painting done before the bugs and stuff show up, and then I can tinker away on stuff. And
For sure. Oh, I love it. The steering box is probably just shagged, eh?
you know, you have to take the steering box out with.
Oh, to get the body off.
But then I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it back in again without.
Is it still tight? Seems pretty decent, actually. Doesn't seem too worn out. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't seem that bad at all. I thought this would. Sometimes they're just you know.
It's just all got to be cleaned up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for your time, Doug.
Oh,
I'll
no
let
problem.
Doug get back to work here, and yeah, we'll get together in the very near future here, and we'll probably pop in at Matt and Jim's, and we'll see what we can get to help Doug finish this baby up. Right on, man. That's looking really amazing. Thanks again. And then maybe I'll come over and borrow this sweet frame rack one of these days.
Anytime.
Thanks, man. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.